So if you're trying to record and your recording looks like shit and it's all stuttery, well, what's happening is the game gathers resources from your computer, and once the game has done it, then Windows will do it, and then Streamlabs or OBS will do it third. So it's not gathering, it's just left with the little bit of resources that it has. And to fix this, you don't really have to go into these settings. I mean, it's good to drop them a little bit, as in output scaled resolution, you half that, and downscale filter as well. With recording, if you've done that and you're still getting lag, then this most simple thing to do is to right click on your Streamlabs and right click again and go to properties. You want to go to compatibility and you want to tick run this program as administrator. That will make Streamlabs gather all the resources first that it needs, and then the game second, and then Windows third. So this fixed my issue straight away. Obviously lowering graphics in games if you're still struggling after this point, and that's pretty much it. I hope this works for you guys.